All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about when you should take your Tesla for service. 1. Scheduled maintenance. Tesla doesn't require regular oil changes or maintenance like traditional cars, but you should still take it in for scheduled checks. This typically happens every 12,500 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. They'll check things like brakes, tires, and the battery's health to keep your Tesla running smoothly. Number 2, battery health or range issues. If you notice your range is dropping significantly or your battery isn't performing like it used to, it's time to get your Tesla checked out. While battery degradation is normal over time, significant drops in performance may signal an issue. 3. Warning lights or alerts. If you see warning lights on your screen or get a service alert in the app, don't ignore it. Tesla's diagnostic tools can help pinpoint problems before they become major issues. It's always a good idea to bring it in sooner rather than later. 4. Unusual sounds or handling. If you hear strange noises from the car, or if it starts driving differently, like pulling to one side, it's time to schedule a service appointment. These could be signs of suspension issues, alignment problems, or something else that needs attention. 5. Tire wear or alignment issues. If your tires are wearing unevenly, or you notice your Tesla drifting or pulling to one side, it might be time for an alignment or tire replacement. Tesla recommends checking your tire pressure every 10,000 miles or if you notice any handling issues. 6. Software updates or malfunctions. Sometimes your Tesla may need software updates or may experience glitches that require service. While Tesla often pushes updates remotely, in some cases, a service visit may be necessary if there are persistent software issues. Number 7. Body or interior repairs. If you've been in an accident or if your Tesla's body or interior is damaged, it's time to visit the service center for repairs. Tesla's body repair network can handle everything from minor dings to major damage. Always use the Tesla app to schedule your service. They make it easy to request appointments, track service status, and even have over-the-air diagnostics to save you time. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.